Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the flex cable and screen on your HP laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You may also want to have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid any damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the flex cable. This is usually connected to the motherboard and the screen. Carefully disconnect the flex cable by gently pulling on the connector. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now, let's focus on the screen. You will need to remove the screws that secure the screen to the laptop frame. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the frame. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via additional cables. If you find any adhesive holding the screen in place, use the plastic spudger to carefully cut through it. Once the screen is free, you can set it aside. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris, ensuring that your laptop remains in optimal condition. Now, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Connect the flex cable to the new screen, ensuring it is securely attached. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Once the new screen is in place, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. After securing the screen, reconnect the flex cable to the motherboard. Double-check that all connections are firm and secure. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws to ensure the back panel is securely fastened. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the flex cable and screen on your HP laptop. Remember, if you encounter any issues, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making the process as smooth as possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.